Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 187,000 miles on it. This is an Alabama truck. It's been here its whole life. It's rust-free. Absolutely not a spot of rust anywhere on it. It has a 3,200-pound Rugged American, which is a stellar crane, a Miller welder generator. It has a lube skid on it with a Honda air compressor. It's a really nice truck. It belonged to United Rentals. We got it in and we put a new turbo and actuator on it. We put new tires on this truck, and the crane remote would work intermittently, so we bought a new wireless crane remote for it. It's a really nice truck. Backup camera, 11-foot bed, lube mate toolboxes. I will walk around and show it to you. Hardly had any nicks or scratches on it. We had to do very little touch up to this truck. Just a really nice truck that's been taken care of. If you're in California or a state that has emissions, this truck still has all the emission stuff on it. It has the DEF and the DPF. Everything's all stock on it, original. Toolboxes look like they've hardly been used. LED work lights, beacon light up top. And all this is original paint. We haven't repainted that. Miller Bobcat 225. $75 hours on it. It has a switch here to start the compressor, but it won't start off that. You got to start it up top. I'll go there in just a minute. It's got hydraulic oil, motor oil, grease gun, waste oil, air hose. Work the crane on right here. Up. Side to side. Winch up, crane down. Side of the truck. Okay. $187 on the miles, 6180 engine hours. Not too bad. Alright, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call. 256-310-6852. HeavyMetalAuto.com. You can go on our website and see pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to you. You're looking around probably $1.75 to $2 a mile. Depends a lot on where you're located. If you want to come and pick it up in person, you're welcome to do that. We're here Monday through Thursday, 7 to 4, Friday, 7 to 3:30. We're closed on the weekend. We're not open Saturday or Sunday, and we don't make exceptions on that. When you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Has to be certified funds. Again, it's a 12 Ram 5500. It's got 11-foot bed, 3,200 pound crane, loop skid, Miller Bobcat welder, Honda air compressor. It's 4-wheel drive. We just put a new turbo on it, new wireless crane remote, and we put new tires on it. really nice truck, clean Alabama truck. So give me a call. Don't wait, this thing won't last too long. Trucks are very hard to find right now. Dodges are always hot, but any truck right now is hot. I actually had a customer call me that I sold a truck to 3 months ago. They bought a Dodge bucket truck here in my town, and they bought it because they had a job lined up and something happened with the job. They lost it and they didn't really need the truck. So they called me back and said they wanted to sell it. Did I know anybody interested in it? And I asked them what they wanted for it, what they take back for it. They told me, and I said I'll give that back for it. So, you know, that truck now, I paid them more. I really paid them more than what they paid me for it. So, are right there at it. So, trucks are just crazy right now. It's hard to find them because the people we buy from, they can't get new trucks, so they're having to keep their old trucks, and that presents a problem for us because we can't buy any of their old used trucks. But we just got to do what we can do for right now, and hopefully things will get back to normal at some point. But all right, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Don't wait too long. Thanks for watching.